Welcome to ShootQ, a business management software designed to help you track leads, book jobs, create invoices, and much more. In this tutorial, we'll provide a brief overview of the platform. First, let's talk about the dashboard. This is your home base, offering a summary of your account. At a glance, you can see lead and invoice statistics, upcoming jobs and calendar events within the next week, and scheduled tasks. Next, managing leads is simple with the lead board. It helps you track progress as leads move through stages to become booked and active jobs. Below leads is the Jobs tab. Here, you'll find all leads, booked jobs, and archived jobs. Each job includes key details like location, time, primary contact information, and assigned personnel. A timeline for events such as consultations, engagement sessions, and wedding days. Documents, including proposals, contracts, questionnaires, and other files. Invoices for payment tracking. Emails, both sent and draft. Notes and activity, where you can log internal notes and view updates. With the Actions button, you can quickly send emails, questionnaires, or create contracts and job sheets. Okay, in the Contact section is where you'll manage everyone connected to your jobs, clients, vendors, and referrers. Each contact profile includes their details, jobs, documents, invoices, emails, and activity logs. Your calendar automatically syncs jobs, events, and appointments. Need to add something? Click the Create button or add it directly to a specific job. You can even sync your calendar with Google or Apple in the Settings tab. The Booking module allows you to set up events where clients can book time slots and make payments seamlessly. In the Documents section, you'll find all invoices, proposals, contracts, questionnaires, and inbound emails tied to your jobs. The Reports section lets you generate metrics to track sales, jobs, and referrers, helping you monitor your business performance effectively. At the bottom here, in our Settings tab is where you configure your account. The Setup Guide walks new users through key configurations to get started. Need help? The ShootQ Help Center has instructional articles, videos, and a step-by-step guide to ensure success. You can also reach out to customer support via chat with the little bubble in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with ShootQ.